Hey fam, welcome back. I hope everyone is staying in, staying safe and sanitized. Today I will be doing a DIY wash day, so stay tuned. So the idea behind today's wash day is to use ingredients that we can easily find in the kitchen or in our backyard. So we'll be using coconut, banana, aloe vera. So for the aloe vera, we'll be using it both in our deep conditioner and our leave-in conditioner. So we'll be using oils as well. So we have the castor oil, which I'm showing you guys right now, and beside it is the coconut oil, and we'll be using honey. Now that the coconut is in smaller pieces, we can go ahead and blend it up to get that nice coconut milk. Do not add too much water to it because you don't want your deep conditioner to be too watery, right? And so let's look at the benefits of coconut milk for the hair. So the coconut milk nourishes the hair, it moisturizes it and give it a shine and silky feeling. So lauric acid is a natural antiseptic property that is found in coconut oil that helps with dandruff and scalp infection, right? So if you have itchy scalp, coconut milk is the way to go. It softens the hair and make it smoother. So now we're going to go over to our aloe vera, right? And this is our base for the deep conditioner and also the base for a leave-in conditioner. So aloe vera promotes hair growth, it reduces dandruff and itchy scalp, right? It moisturizes dry hair. So if you struggle with dry hair, then girl, stock up on your aloe vera. Most of us have it growing in our front, our backyard, and it also strengthens your hair strands, so you cannot go wrong with aloe. So now that it's cut up in smaller pieces, I'm going to cut it in the middle, right? I'm going to use a spoon to remove the gel and to place it in the blender. So I didn't add any water or nothing to this, and then I'm going to just strain it so I don't have any clumps or any gel leaving or going in my hair, because sometimes that is hard to remove. Also, aloe vera is very good for your skin. You can put it on your face, sleep with it overnight to help to get rid of pimples and all those lovely stuff. So if you are having a difficult time for the juice to go through the strainer, you can just take a spoon and just to help with the process. So now we're gonna move on to blending up our banana, and I'm going to add some coconut milk to it, right? So for the banana, as it regards to hair benefits, banana help our hair to become soft and shiny. It improves the manageability of our hair. It helps prevent split ends and breakage, right? So that's all that potassium, carbohydrates, and vitamin that banana is rich in helps to prevent the split ends and the breakage. So you can also use banana as a pre-poo. What is a pre-poo? A pre-poo is something that you use in your hair before your shampoo so that your hair kind of becomes softened and have some moisture to it, so when you put in the shampoo it doesn't strip your hair too much or make it too dry, right? So if you're finding it hard to get the banana through the strainer, you can just use a spoon to help you, right? And we see how smooth this look. Guys, I would say use 2 banana or 3. I only use 1 and I wish I had used 1 more. So if you're going to try this at home, I will advise you to use more than 1 banana, and it all depends on your hair, right? The length of your hair. So now I'm going to add all the ingredients to the blender. So first I added the aloe vera juice, the coconut milk, the banana, now I'm going to add our olive oil, right? And olive oil moisturizes the hair and scalp. It helps to fight infection as well, right? So it coats our hair strand, decreases tangles while locking in moisture in our hair, right? So some of us cook with olive oil at home, so you can just use some of that olive oil. We're going to add honey, and honey helps with moisture for hair. It's a great humectant that bonds with water molecules, adding moisture to dry hair, and also pull moisture from the environment to your hair, making it a great moisturizer. We're going to add our coconut oil, and our coconut oil improves scalp circulation. So once scalp circulation is there, then you know that promotes hair growth, and it also moisturizes dry hair and help with softness and shine. So I'm going to add some essential oil, peppermint. Peppermint gives your hair that tingling feeling, and it helps promote hair growth as well. You don't have to add the peppermint that I'm adding if you don't have it at home. That's totally fine, but it kind of help with preserving my mixture because I'm going to save it until the next day. I'm also going to add rosemary oil as well, right? So if you don't have those at home, no problem, just ensure you use the mixture today or the next day. So now that I add all my ingredients, I'm going to blend it to perfection, right? As I said before, add another banana if you can. My mixture was a little bit on the more liquidy side, so because of that I'm going to add some food thickener to it. Guys, as you can see, my mixture is looking creamy. It was so good. It smelled so good. I could almost drink it. Like, it smelled, the coconut milk and the banana did a great job. And so this is a food thickener that I was talking about, cornstarch. If you have it at home, you can go ahead and use it. I used a little bit, but it wasn't enough, and I didn't have the time to wait for it to get thicker. But you can add it to your mixture and then be sure to just blend it up again so it can be evenly distributed in your deep conditioner. So in the next clip I will be showing you guys my leave-in. So I reserved some of the aloe vera juice for my leave-in. And so now I'm adding my deep conditioner to this container here. Guys, I did not know that I had made so much. As I said before, you can use less liquid and more banana for it to be thicker. And so I added the deep conditioner to my hair right after shampooing my hair, and I did it section by section because it's easier to do it that way for me personally. So after I finished coating my hair with the deep conditioner, I placed a plastic cap over my hair so that the heat will open up my hair cuticles so that all the ingredients I have added to my deep conditioner can penetrate my hair. Guys, this is my hair after an hour. It felt soft, bouncy. I could easily glide my fingers through my hair. And if you guys try this, definitely let me know how it was for you. So now that I have rinsed out the deep conditioner out of my hair, I'm going to go in with moisturizing my hair. I'll be using the Main Choice hair butter, and I'm going to add my DIY leave-in conditioner. So that's the aloe vera juice, and I just added a little bit of castor oil in it. So now I'm coating my hair strand, adding some castor oil to seal in the leave-in. Remember the LOC method. And then after that, I'm going to add the butter. Remember I said to you guys that sometimes I use the butter instead of a cream. So now I'm adding the butter, detangling my ends a little bit, and then I'm going to go right into twisting my hair, right? And guys, I must say, after twisting my hair, and you're going to see it was shiny. So right now, as you can see, I'm doing a regular 2-strand twist. I'll be making a separate video so you guys can see the results of my DIY deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner. Also, I will let you guys know if my hair remain moisturized after a week or so. Also, you guys can go ahead and try this. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please share with a friend, invite them over to the family so that they can subscribe and, you know, look out for more amazing content. I know that in this time, you know, some of the hair stores are closed. You know, some of us lost our jobs. We may not have the money to buy, you know, more hair products right now because we have to just prioritize and things such as food and, you know, electricity and all of those things. So if you don't have all the ingredients that I mentioned, not a problem. You don't have to add all these extra oils and all these extra things that I added. Aloe vera alone is enough. Coconut milk alone with maybe an oil that you have at home is enough. So if you have honey at home, you can just add it to your regular conditioner, or you can add a banana to your regular conditioner or use it as a deep conditioner. So you guys can see my hair looks shiny and moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.